Thinking about building your dream home? Don't let hurdles stand in your way. With Krishna Designer and Developer, we offer hustle-free service right at your doorstep. With over 10 years of experience in home building, we understand the challenges you face. Our team is dedicated to providing seamless planning, designing, and execution of your project. Why choose Krishna Designer and Developer? Expertise in planning your dream home. Innovative designs for both exterior and interior. Efficient execution to bring your vision to life. Let us help you overcome any obstacles in your journey to homeownership. Your dream home is just a visit away. Thank you for considering Krishna Designer and Developer. We look forward to helping you create the home of your dreams.